What's up? What's up? It's Rontavius. I'm so excited today because I got a package in the mail and I started opening it up. I was so excited, but decided to make a video about it because why not, you know? But I got the new Meta Ray-Ban Wayfarer style, and these are the transitions. Just gonna unbox and see what it's all about. I'm excited though. I'm excited. Listen, call, live stream. Oh, okay, and it folds. Ooh, look at that. Looks like I'm gonna have to scan for the Meta app right here. These are it. Look at this. Pretty nice case. See, there's a button on the back, USB-C, and they're right in there. All right, before we get there, oh, nice green lighting up. So I need to scan this Meta app, and there's some stuff in here as well. So I'm gonna pull this out. All right, getting started. Download Meta View app. There's a tab that we're gonna pull off. Charge via USB-C, and green means good. Orange means, hey, about time for you to charge me. All right, and there's some stuff on the back as well. All right, we'll go through this later. And if you want prescription, you can scan this. Safety and warranty. So just paperwork, pretty much. Something on the side. Oh, we have a cleaning cloth. Oh, so it doesn't come with a USB-C cord. Interesting. Okay. All right, it's all good though. All right, let's get to it. It's magnetic, right inside of here. Getting it from the corner and just kind of pulling up on it a little bit. Right there. So these are it, the Wayfarer transitions, and look clean. Ooh. Just put them on right quick. What y'all think? What y'all think? What y'all think? What y'all think? Y'all let me know. Y'all let me know right now what y'all think. I don't know. I like them. I like them. These are nice. They fit pretty nice as well. I have the standard, the high bridge, and I know some people were saying if you got like a bigger head, you might want to get the large. So I wasn't sure. I mean, my head's pretty big, but now these fit pretty nice. I feel like I can wear them for a long time as well, without them being too tight or making marks. But I mean, we'll see with time. But as of right now, these feel pretty nice. All right, so let's go ahead and get started with scanning. Okay. All right, so we're gonna have to download the Meta View app. Here we're done. All right, let's get started. All right, so first we're gonna have to log in. All right, so allow for Bluetooth to find it. All right, and so I have the new Ray-Ban Meta. All right, so I already pulled that tab. Get your glasses ready for pairing. Let's put this back in there. They snapped in there. The light is green. Let's close this. Let's go ahead and press the button on the back. 5 seconds. All right, so it turned blue. Now it's searching. Ray-Ban Meta, RB Meta 0135. That's me. All right, so it's connecting via Bluetooth. All right, yes, we want to pair. And it's activating. Okay, now checking for updates. All right, let's go ahead and connect to the Wi-Fi. And let's install updates. Join. So 4 minutes remaining. Keep the app open and your glasses close by until the update is complete. All right, so we can ask Meta AI about what we see. Catch the perfect wave. Fetch, play, repeat. All right, of course, we can go hands-free with Meta AI. Find us at the beach all summer long. So this will be pretty convenient, pretty nice whenever I do go on the cruises. Life's a party, especially with a piñata. I haven't hit a piñata in so long. What? How's she gonna hit the piñata one time and then play that back? All right, I guess candy did come out. I was about to say. So starting today with a stunning sunrise. Just waiting. 2 more days. I mean, 2 more hours. 2 more minutes. What's going on with me? Jeez. All right, so now I see that it's rebooting the glasses. Not sure how long that's gonna take. I guess while I'm waiting. All right, shameless plug. Y'all go ahead and check out my music. You can type in Rontavius Washington on any platform. I'll pop up. Oh, and look at that. Let's start it. All right, so now I'm searching for Wi-Fi. All right, so your glasses will automatically update when they are switched on, charging in their case, and connected to a saved Wi-Fi network. Get notifications about your device. Allow that. All right, we're gonna do it. Put on the glasses. Glasses on. Ooh, I heard a sound. It's like doo-doo-doo. All right, so press the capture button once. I just took a picture. All right, press and hold the capture button. And that is to record. Am I recording now? Now let's try it again. I'm not sure if I'm recording now or not. Let's see. Press and hold. I don't think I'm recording. I see red lights corner my eyes. So let me stop screen recording. All right, let's see. Okay, so now I'm able to record. Apparently, you can't screen record and then record with the glasses at the same time. It doesn't make too much sense to me, but that's why I wasn't able to record. You should be seeing how everything looks with the glasses on. Do a little spin around. Woo! Check out my room. And this is the mic audio coming from the headsets. So, again, you cannot screen record and then record on your Meta Ray-Bans at the same time. I'm not sure why not, but you can't. All right. Play music, tap the touchpad once. Touchpad is right here. Okay. Hey, check it out, y'all. Check it out. Yeah. Meta know what to play. Meta know what to play. Oh, you can adjust the volume as well. All right, turn it up. Turn it down. Okay. And tap it again to pause. Convenient. All right, so explore how you can use Meta AI. Yes, we want to enable Meta AI. Store voice recordings. So I'm not going to store it for now. For whatever reason I need to have voice recordings, I'll come back and change the option. All right, turn on locations. Yes. Hey, Meta. What's the tallest building in the world?
128 meters.
Okay. All right. Thank you. How long did it take to build? Oh, I'm sorry. Hey, Meta. So how long did it take it to build?
Burj Khalifa took around 6 years to build, from January 2004 to October 2009.
Wow. I didn't know that before, but now I know. Learning on the go, just like that. Hey, Meta. What am I looking at? Okay, it took a picture.
You are looking at a workspace with multiple monitors, keyboards, and other computer equipment.
That is true. That is true. All right, so great job. You can customize your Meta View experience button controls, video link, and camera functions and settings. Oh, wow. I would not like to share additional data. All right, so get ready to capture. Be safe, respect others, respect people's privacy. Let that LED light shine. Stay safe. Let's go ahead and connect some music apps right quick. Spotify is my go-to. Of course, you have to allow access. Accent again. Okay, Spotify is connected. Communicate hands-free. Yes, connect to my phone. Yes. I need permission. Ah, some fireworks are happening outside. Show message notifications. All right. Yes, you can announce messages. All right, I'll add everything else later. Customize voice settings. Aquafina. Let's see.
Here's one of the voices you can choose. You can always change it later in settings.
All right, John Cena.
Here's one of the voices you can choose. You can always change it later in settings.
Keegan Michael Key.
Here's one of the voices you can choose. You can always change it later in settings.
Kristen Bell.
Here's one of the voices you can choose. You can always change it later in settings.
Aspen.
Here's one of the voices you can choose. You can always change it later in settings.
Indigo.
Here's one of the voices you can choose. You can always change it later in settings.
And Sage.
Here's one of the voices you can choose. You can always change it later in settings.
So what if the speaking rate was all the way up?
Here's one of the voices you can choose. You can always change it later in settings.
Okay. All right. I know some people who talk like that. If you want it slower, 0.75.
Here's one of the voices you can choose. You can always change it later in settings.
Okay. All right, we'll keep it regular. And I'll go with Aquafina. Ray of the Dragon. Updates for the privacy policy. Okay. Top left, it shows that my glasses are currently at 98%. One media has been found, which you can import. And in order to import, you have to connect to Wi-Fi. All right, so that's importing. All right, successfully imported. Yeah, sure, let's import without keeping the app open. So there's a cloud. We'll go ahead and turn on the cloud media. All right, so it just dropped down to 97%. Kind of fast. You have home, your gallery. So the max you can record a video for is 3 minutes. Your transcript. So everything you ever ask Meta AI is going to show up right here. And settings. All right, wow, 94%. I haven't even really did anything yet. Oh yeah, let me get up close and personal with the camera as well. All right, so whenever we are recording, you can see right here, there's a light. It's backwards. Meta wants to make sure that everyone knows that you're recording. Yeah. These are transitions, so whenever, I do go outside and it's sunny, I'll show how they look. What time is it? Yeah. Have a good night.